In this video, we'll learn basics of candlestick chart. So first of all, we'll understand about what is candlestick chart, and we'll see what are these candles. These charts, first Japanese rice traders started using it in 18th century. So it's long time now world knows about this candlestick charts. But these got famous in recent years. In last 50-60 years, they got worldwide acceptance. uh, Earlier we were using only price charts, but now the widely used charts in the world are candlestick charts. There are some other types also, but in this course we will use candlestick charts only. So I'll quickly take you to the screen. So here is screen, and what you are seeing on the screen is a candlestick chart. What is price chart? You might have seen some chart like this. Price, something like that, right? You might have seen some chart like this. Now this chart where there is only line, these are plotted based on closing price of every day. And what this chart tells us, that this particular day price was closed at this point. So this was the day price closed at this point. On this day price closed at this point, right? Like on this day price closed at this point. That's what this line chart tells us. But with candlestick chart we gets many more information about what happened on that particular day. Okay, so here one candle represents one day, because this is daily time frame chart. If I see weekly chart, one candle represents a week. If I see 5 minutes chart, one candle represents 5 minutes. Okay, so let's understand basic concept about each candle and what each candle represents. Let's take example of any candle. We'll take one candle and then I will explain you. Now, okay, this green candle, this candle, right? So here your first concept is OHLC. Okay, so what is OHLC? This O stands for open, O stands for open, H stands for high, L for low, and C for close. And what is meaning of each of these? Open means opening price on that particular day. At what was the opening price for that day? What was the first price on that particular day or that particular period? If it is 1 minute chart, what was opening price on that minute? C is closing price. What was closing price in that period? Or on that day, what was closing price? High means what was the high price on that day, highest price on that particular period or day. And low is lowest price on that particular day or period. So this is OHLC, open, high, low, close. You should remember this, that OHLC stands for open, high, low, close. and we'll use this terminology always, almost always in this learning series. Okay, so you should know what OHLC stands for. You should know what is open, high, low and close prices. Now let's see candle and try to see what are OHLC prices on the candle. I'll just clear the screen. Now this is a candle. Okay, on this candle it's easy to identify high and low prices on that day. See, this one, this was high, this was highest price on that day, and this one is low. So this was the lowest price on that day. Okay, so highest price is highest point on the candle and lowest price is lowest point on the candle. Now if you are seeing this chart, you are seeing two color candles, either green color candles or red color candles. Okay, green represents bullish candle, means green represents day when prices went up, and red represents bearish day. It means the day when prices came down. Okay, so if you see green candle, this will be open price. At this price market has opened that day, or this share has opened on that day, and this is close price. So on this particular candle or this particular day, price opened here. Okay, it might have went down after opening, so price made this low, again went up, price made this high, and at this point price closed on this particular day. Okay, now if you see red color candle, so let's take example of this candle, this particular candle. Okay, so this is low, this is high, right? I will just mark H. If it is bearish day, red color candle, then this is open. Okay, and this is closed now. See, there is only one difference in red and green candles. In green candles, this price was open. In red candle, the above price was open. Okay, so price of that stock opened here. It might went up and made this high, and then came down, made this low, but again went up and closed here. Overall, it is bearish day because price opened above and closed below. Okay, next I'll quickly explain some 2-3 more concepts. These lines you are seeing, right? This filled part of each candle, this part or this part, see this all part or this part, this part, this is called body of the candle. Okay, so part between open and close. So part of candle between open, this is now open and this is close for this candle, right? For this candle, this is open and this is closed. So part between open and close is called body of the candle. So this is body of the candle. Okay, and these lines, these extended lines which you can see are called shadows. These are called shadows, or these are called tails, or these are called wicks. Wick. Okay, and generally we will use the word wick for these. So these lines which you are seeing, these here, here, these are called wick. Okay, so we briefly saw today what is a candlestick, what is OHLC, that is open, high, low, close. We saw what is body of the candle, and we saw what is wick. Also we learned that if candle is green, then it is a bearish day, because open is below and close is above, right? In that case, if open is at lower level and close at higher level, it creates green candle. If open at higher level and close below level, it creates a red candle, which is bearish. So red is a bearish day, or that in that period prices came down. Okay, so that's it for this session, and we'll continue this learning, this series. Please do like this video and subscribe to the Quest for Alpha channel. Thank you very much, and goodbye for now.